going to decorate this pot now with carving. I think I spoke a little bit in one of the other series about using kitchen tools. Kitchen tools are just great for carving into clay. This one is a lemon zester, and I like to make a little edge all along here, a little cutout edge. So I'm going to take this lid off, and I'm going to do this before I attach the spout because I want the lines on here to just flow. I don't want them to break up once they get to the spout. So the spout will actually end up covering some of these lines. Notice that my fingers are always bracing behind there. That's very important, or else I'd end up collapsing the pot. And I'm not fussing if I see that a line is not absolutely perfect. I'm not going to go back into it with this lemon zester, because if I do, it makes it worse. It'll just give it like a double-edged line. It's really okay. The glaze is going to cover most of it. The glaze is going to sink into the deep part of the line and show up a little bit more bluish rather than greenish. When I'm making a piece of pottery, I know what glaze is going to go on it before it's ready to be glazed. I think about the glaze when I actually make the pot. So this pot I know looks real good with a bluish green glaze. Mostly it's green with a little bit of bluish in the deep parts. Now we're all set for the next step.